Ensure your low back is in a neutral spine. So I want you to try and put your hands underneath. Make sure you're not arching your back too much or it's compressed to the ground. Just keep a nice neutral spine so you can just comfortably put your hands underneath. Once you're there, your hands are gonna go right by your side, legs up, keeping that neutral spine, and you're gonna lower one leg at a time. Tap the heel, come back, tap the heel, come back. Make sure you do a nice, slow and controlled movement. The next variation you can do is just a static hold. So you're gonna put your knees up, arms straight up, make sure it's at a 90-degree angle, and you're gonna hold. If this is too easy, you can challenge yourself by incorporating a yoga ball, and you're gonna just hold this ball in the position there, gently squeezing with your arms and squeezing in with your knees. Hold that for about 30 seconds and do about 3 sets. The next one, if you want a little more of a challenge, again, this one requires a little more coordination. You're gonna go opposite arm back and opposite leg forward. So just like this, nice and slow, and back. Opposite side, and back. Again, if you want to challenge yourself even more, grab the yoga ball, same thing. Opposite leg, opposite arm, and hold, come back, and back. Make sure you keep a neutral spine with all movements.